Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how to ruche a skirt. Now this video will not have a pattern. There's so many skirt patterns out there on the interweb. You can go to Etsy, you can go to Joann's and get a McCall's or a Vogue pattern. There's a bunch of them out there, but I will be showing you how to ruche the skirt. So go ahead and cut 2 pieces of the actual skirt pattern. Now I will cut a 1.5 inch band that is 25 inches in height, the same height as the actual skirt. Now go ahead and pin this band right at the center of the front piece of the skirt. Make sure you're pinning it really well so that when you sew on either side of the band, it stays in place. Now go ahead and sew on either side of the band. And now sew right at the center of the band, leaving a 1 inch gap right at the top of the skirt. This is what it should look like. This is so that there is enough room for us to put in the waistband without sewing the actual paracord string that we're about to insert through. Go ahead and pin one end of the paracord and slide it through the bottom, left or right of the skirt. Now pull it through. And loop it around. Pull it through on the other side, and now cut any excess string that you have left over and burn the edges so that they don't fray. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the second piece of the skirt right sides together and sew on either sides. As you can see, now when I pull the strings, I can ruche the skirt. Now go ahead and cut out a band for your waistband. Mine is about 4 inches in width and 22 inches around. Your waistband is always 2 inches or 1.5 inches shorter than your actual skirt waist. This is so that it is perfectly taut. Now sew the edges together, fold it, and pin all the 4 sides, the center front, center back, and the sides of and pin it on the skirt right side. Make sure the center front of the waistband lines up with the center front of the skirt, and the center back of the skirt lines up with the center back of the waistband, and the same for the sides. And there you have it, you guys, a ruched skirt.